to show you how to change the engine oil light maintenance due on 2022 Honda CRV. So you're gonna go over here in the setting, vehicle, and you're gonna scroll it down. You see maintenance and see the engine oil and tire rotation. I didn't do the tire rotation, but did change the engine oil and select item, and you can hit the engine oil and reset, and it's supposed to be reset, so it show 100% oil life now. So it's not too hard to change, it's easy to go setting, then the maintenance information, then oil filter, select reset, then you got all this spark plug, whatever you change, brake fluid, whatever you can reset all, whatever you change. So I changed the engine, already reset. And thank you for watching my video. If you need a help, and drop me comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching more video on 2022 Honda CRV. Thank you.